Hi Stella babes, I hope you guys are good. As you can see from my title, today I'm spending the day with my sisters. So we're at the farm right now. It's in Magwate, that's my home village. So we'll go do the dinner party in a bit after. So that's me. As you can see, I like doing work. I like working, guys, and I like doing stuff. We found some watermelons for us to take with us. Okay, they're to be sold. So this is the farm, this is how it looks, and we have sunflowers. So and then we were like, we're talking arogo roba midi. Had to guys to get the midi. And Rathabile started crying because she's like, we left her. Rathabile is my niece. So yeah, I guess you guys will get to see my family. But this is the midi. Yo, nice and hey guys, it was fresh. Listen to that. Hey, so I was just giving a helping hand, taking videos. Listen, because I want you guys to see. And my sister was like, why is it getting feature me? This is Rathabile's mother, my big sister. Yeah, so that's me again. I'm like, I need to take proper content. But I was working, guys. She was just like, let me take a video of you. Look at me doing hard labor. I'm not just a city girl here. I'm a farm girl. But then now I work. I like to leave a mark wherever I go. You must see me. My sister's like, Lena, I want another video. I'm like, all right. So now we've gathered all we can and we're going back. And Mama was like telling me I've abandoned her and stuff. You'll hear her for yourself. And now I brought this for her. So that's what we collected. Now Chabo was like, she wants to get a watermelon herself. How do you check? Hey, I don't know if it's okay. I saw the shop. It's a hell of my sister. I will realize. This is too much labor for a watermelon. One. Dango? You're welcome. So my niece likes food like us. That's why she was choking on a watermelon. And look at how juicy this one is. And now Chaba is like, I don't know how to. And I told her we're the same. So I was taking a video of her so she can see for herself.
There's a difference between all of them.
So now she choked on one because she wanted to lie. You see, you must not lie, kids. Don't lie. You'll die.
You know what? You wanted to lie and just show you. Wow, Fusa.
Mama says we should come for watermelon, but she chased us, guys, and she wants to cook. So here Chab was imitating on how people drink watermelon and juice, and she doesn't like it. So my niece is starting to get a watermelon. But that is not red. So guys, we're making watermelon liquor like Quimby said. I've been drinking watermelon. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's called stopoti. And I was telling Mama, you know, I just to be taking videos because I have people who are keeping up with my life. So I'm doing this with my cousin Balik.
How say you what say ati?
Yeah.
Stop hot.
Agar aku harus pasang ni, harus pasang belanja ni. Asal pasang belanja, kamu suruh kau tersebut. Ya, tak marta boleh pilih. Asal tak boleh jangan boleh pilih. Pilih ya, itu sia. Kamu suruh kau terus suruh kau. Agar tu, obi boleh tak TV. Agar rasa aja. Bisa kau nak sarap aja. Atau tentu nanti sudah.
Ada sama kaso.
Asian lah.
Tak ketekin.
Masa dulu arar ke hama tu becara barangnya le hama siapa? Ke harus merar. Kecil le kamu boleh le.
Karena yang tahu jago roto bol. Itu tahu jago roto bol.
So Chaba's laughing at me because I'm supposed to put this watermelon inside, but I'm eating it instead. But it was so nice, couldn't let it go to waste.
Oh, just stop.
So I decided to give it to my big sister and my niece. Mama,
Sara ba be arara ne le kitile maka bona ma be dia wa sianya le miseng le lone wa ka we ni lone baliki do go wala isati
na ke na thata na ke rata be re
Ako na mo kulani. Siguro.
baliki ke la nthawira stopot ka ilo sa te ka neta
na actually has good utensils. I really enjoyed doing this. I was having the time of my life. I bet I'm learning, so I'm gonna open my own watermelon liquor store.
Sasi duyanwa
But I really need something to say. She's a year old.
Actually, I'm the worst videographer in the world.
Ya, agar anu tu na agar tu na kana tu
so kan telah buat ka
duri kala ya aku italla anu
kan telah buat ka balas
anu tu na tu na thabe ko italla anu stall ra kadi bulek libule tu mo ha
unless ore kala Lixon ga go roseditse go fitile o itse go rala gore go le ga le bona go la go le mo
I was talking to Tabile. I get a wine and my mother wine the Kataga now. Chap. And Wiki. You now live really chap. The head is like a time, a time I can't know. The pal is foul. The what? No, pwedeng sa papalit siya santa mama. The pouch is foul. Palit siya tala. The pal is foul. Actually, what are what's that right? Yeah, I get like I get it. Hey guys, I'm making watermelon liquor. Watermelon. You know what Beyonce said? I've been drinking watermelon. So you need to remove the seeds. We don't drink the seeds, so it's best we remove the seeds as they rise to the top. Don't say anything, because you know y'all people step on the grapes that y'all drink. This is cleaner. Y'all see my feet have been. So basically you just put all the watermelon inside there, mash it up, remove the seeds, then put your alcohol that you like, then let it ferment. What did it sound like? Now when you reach a manoko ha. She was talking about the time they bought some peanuts that help with detoxing and stuff. But also to like play game akapukan. But to hole mulana. Sunflower is in So we did about like 2 buckets before Mama told us to leave because she wants to cook. So I'm just showing you guys how to look at the watermelon. Still a lot, there's a long way to go. So that's the second one, and you know me, I had to shoot before we left. So that's the sunflower part, and I'm like, I'm gonna shoot here. Michael Jackson, don't do past this one. Baby, get up and dance. Michael Jackson, don't do past this one. We should go for Lonnie, go for Lonnie, Madam Sergeant, Lonnie, tobacco for any player. We should go for Lonnie, go too fast, Lonnie, Madam Sergeant, Lonnie, tell me what it is. Your body, now your body, yeah, your body shaking, can you find you? So before before we left, I want to show Artabia the chickens and the ducks. Here's the chickens. The chickens. And the ducks. My phone wouldn't focus and she was scared. Where's our focus? So on our way back we saw an albino donkey. And there were beggars in town. So now it's time for the dinner party. And my sister was like prepping up and she said she wanted to do a step by step. She'll be taking you guys through it. And that was the meat for the beef bourguignon.
Until the bacon it doesn't have to be crispy, but it needs to be all the way done. We also need this oil so we can fry the meat as well. So once it's like this, you see it's done.
Now it's time for the beef to sizzle.
It's not like melt in your mouth.
Because I'm trying to look for it.
I think you're white.
Now it's time for the diced veggies. Why slow cook again?
Then you add this to this. The beef stock.
Yeah, like we would say that the rush.
Then you add a whole bottle of wine.
Whole.
Yeah.
Do you name it Zaron? Balance yag.
Mix it all together.
Ayun na, matubang sa mga nalaman ni Muntu. Kaya kaya pa na makayon. Matubang bagi ba bang tebara? Wala kang nagawa ta.
Hindi yobo.
Kira ko na regala ko dito sa murad yata. Matarabo mapatel.
A bay leaf.
Ayun sa na. Sana bacon na ni. Kasi ito ka ko sana sa dapat. Karbi, wag ko kadar sa itibay ni furu rumah pacar lo ready lo. Costa Rica.
What is that? What did you? Okay. So.
Ito yung mga beef. Ito no sa itibay tayo. the oven it
So I just felt like I neglected my niece and wanted to show her to you guys, but she stole my bread. I put out my sandwich on top only for her to take the top of the bread. Ish. She can tell that I caught her, now she's trying to return it back, yo.
Why?
Hatta I mustn't show her face, get the mom. But she's so cute, guys. Can't wait for you guys to see her.
Was that a prototype? And what was that thinking?
Yo, she's denying that she's caught bread-handed. So Rtabile's mom is dicing the mushrooms because they ike out shabu. And that's the pumpkin. Matung, the culprit is so noisy, yo. So in went the mushrooms and now the bacon. So you mix that all together and let it sit in the pot. Look at that, Batung. Look at that. And then now making this a shoot. It's just taking big space for nothing.
The beef bourguignon is done and ready to be.
So our starter was the Yorkshire pudding with mince gravy. Ugh, the baby woke up to eat because you know she's like me. She loves her some good food. And we're done because it was delish. Now on to the main course. Of course, Rtabile had to have her own. That's the beef bourguignon with the butternut, liputsi, whatever you call it. But it was nice, but not my fave because it doesn't bring well with my palate. I know I was dancing because I liked it with the butternut. But overall, I enjoyed it. Even the baby did. She wanted to feed her. She was like, I must feed her. She was so grumpy that she was hungry. Yo, so I was feeding her and I didn't put enough meat, only butternut, and she was upset because it wasn't salty. So we are done and the baby is still upset because she's tired. I was trying to rock her back to sleep, but she wouldn't go down because she heard about dessert, which was chocolate milkshakes which Chabo made, and they were to die for. So thank you, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.